可以了，可以了。你们进了吗？
对吗？有点。
8点过10分。
嗯。
8点过10分。我们就不出声了，差不多就开始。
可以了，开始吧。
可以了吗？开始了，已经在直播了。OK。
等一下啊，看你可以没事可以等一下人进来，我们说开始就开始。
好。
或者你们可以先去演示一下，或者说用一下机器，演示一下机器，然后如果说有人进来就一起开。我知道，没有现在。
现在有多少人？
就是人数怎么这么多？
嗯？
1个人啊。
哇！你们可以戴帽子。
可以了，已经在播了。有人吗
？5个人啊，可以。
可以开始了。开始吗，小海？对，开始了。开始。
Hello, everybody.
Hello everyone, this is Luke from Arccaptain. Today is a very exciting day. We invite our holder of Arccaptain, also product director Winnie Chen, to come here to release and review our most exciting product, MIG 205MP.
Hello everyone. Hello, I'm Winnie from Arccaptain. We are focused in the welding machines and welding accessories, welding consumables, also the welding helmet. And we have about 20 years experience in welding industry, such as the very advanced technology, quality control, and also the dealer corporate. We are focused on the digital welding machines and the multi-function portable welding machines. We have very professional and the technology qualities. And now we are very excited and today to have the first live today because we have launched our new MIG 205 multi-process welding machines. And these machines started our new area. Before we making the digital MIG, TIG, and plasma cutter machines, and we have been the top sellers in Amazon and Walmart, also other platform. And today our multi-function welding machines has new launches because we have to many of the survey that people are nowadays are very inquire for the multi-functions. So today our MIG 200 and multi-process welding machines has finally came out.
Sounds great. So in today's live, we are going to cover a lot of content. First, we're going to introduce brand and machine MIG 205MP. Then we are going to review all the price and promotion of the machine and the accessory and the materials.
Yes.
Then we are going to do some real project with the machine to do welding and the cutting. And the last, we are covering up some Q&A question from the survey loading and live Q&A.
Yes, if you are interested in our brand and also interested in our welding machines, please follow us.
So Winnie,
yes.
Could you please have a brief introduction about the Arccaptain? What inspired the development of the Arccaptain?
Yes, about Arccaptain brand, we as a globally recognized leader in the manufacturing welding machines and cutters, we specialized in a comprehensive range of the welding equipment, including MIG, MAC, MMA, TIG, welders, and plasma cutter. And although we only have 3 years for in the market, but we focus on the US market and also the Europe market. And we have very focused on the digital welding machines. We saw the problem for the digital and also the portable and the multifunction process. All of our welding machines have the range of the digital and synergic. So we bring very brilliant welding in the welding capability for the welding machines. And for our launch in Amazon and also other platforms, we have very good feedback. Also, we have more than about hundreds of the YouTubers has already experienced our machines. They have very good feedback, so we are very happy about it.
Yeah.
And today, why we want to launch the first multi-function MIG 200 and MIG 205 multi-process welding machines. That is because some of our customers, they are the DIY hobbyers and they want to repair their house, and they may be welding and also they want to cutting. But when they need to do both this work, and they need double machines. So we want to solve the problem that we can use one machine to solve the problem. So to make this work better. So this MIG 200 multi-process, we have adding the function of cutting. That means that you don't need to buy the cutting machines, the plasma cutter machines, and you could finish the work including welding and the cutting. So that is why we have designed MIG 205 multi-process welding machines. And also our new series is called the Pro series. We have followed the function for the digital. So do you know why we call digital? That is because all our machines are controlled by the software, and also we have designed our own apps. You can download from our Android or iOS marketplace and to use our phone, such as this phone, to control our welding machines. And also we have some localizations and to let more people to use our machines better. And finally, we have our environmental friendly design, such as we use our remote control apps to control our machines, so we can save many of the materials, and we want to give our more try to protect our environment. So this is why we design these machines and what is our brand.
Wow, sounds really cool. Winnie, I have never heard about there's any application like this before, and I've never seen it and I've never used it. Could you please show us about that app, like for a bit?
Yes, about apps. Here, 手机，小海。You can see that these machines are already switched on, and here you can see the machine is not very large. It is very different as the traditional machines. You see these machines, the large as such as shoe box, and you see here we have the very large screen, and here we have
pressing the knob to
when we adjust these machines, and you can see many of the functions listed here, such as the MIG, and we could also to connect with Boolean, and also the HF lift tick, cut, clean, and MMA. And what's more, we have added the MIG with the pulse function. That means that it is more better for you to weld for the thinner plate. So not only for the MIG pulse, but also for the high frequency pulse and also lift tick pulse. And also, after rewelding, and we have adding the clean function, it will make your weld more better to see. And about the welding, about the apps. We have the version for the apps about Android and also iOS. You just download from the marketplace, and the name is Arccaptain, and here you see this is our logo. So it is very clear for you to find it. And after you buy your machines, and just to connect it, to click here is a small logo. So just to search, and you can find here is the MIG 205 multi-process, and just to connect it. this machine, this phone are already connected, and after it, you just click. Here you can see that here is the mode for these machines, and already to put it in the synergic and with the MIG mode, and I use the two-step.
Bluetooth connected.
Here you can see when I adjust it in my phone, and here I can start already to connect it. And after connected, you can see the Bluetooth and the power here is colorful, so it means it already connected. And here you can see when I connect the MIG, when I come into the MIG function, many of the parameters could be adjusted here, and here you can see to the pulse on or off, and here's many of the functions, just such as the inductance adjustment and pre-gas, post-gas. And if you don't want to use the synergic, and you can sweep on, off. And also the pulse, and you can make it on or off. So these are the adjustment for the parameters. What's more, we also have do some more design for our app, such as the communication. And if you have any questions about these machines, and you just to leave your message here, and of our after sales service will give you a good reply. And here we also link to our marketplace. And if you want to buy other, machines and spare parts, and you can go to our Arccaptain.com and choose more products. And finally, here is about my device. And if you have if you click here and your machine maybe have some problem, your questions, and you can send these serial numbers to us, to our after sales service. So after we get the sales numbers, and it will be easier for us to find the problem and help you. And also we have the customer service, and after in it you can see more information about us. Also about the product Wikipedia, and it's all the information about the machines are download here. So these apps are still in the developing. I think after the apps go to your hand, it will be much more better. So this is what we designed, and our apps are the first advanced apps design and in the welding industry, among all the welding industry. So I think this will be a very good point for us to show you. And if you get our MIG 200, so not only to share more about the welding performance, but also to keep more your priding works. So this is our thought about the Arccaptain.
Wow, thank you, Winnie. Sounds really great. And I have heard about there's many different process in this one machine. So let's do a calculation.
Yeah,
I'm thinking, yeah, we have many different devices of Arccaptain before. So like this. Right.
Yeah, you are familiar with our products. As I just said, and this is multi-process. So how to multi-process? First one.
It's MIG 200.
Yes, MIG 200 is our top sale in Amazon and also Arccaptain.com. And many people are very satisfied with this machine's welding performance. So our MIG 200 price on Amazon is about $399.
Yeah.
But our multi-functions already concluded all the functions in MIG 200. So what is the next you want to count?
Yes, and the TIG process. Yeah.
Yeah, TIG welding is very more used in the aluminum and also stainless. And if you want to welding for the thin plate, you must to use the TIG 200, and also for some more precious weldings. So the TIG 200 TIG 205 Pro, our sales price is about $300. So so now it's already about
6.5. right?
Yes, it's about seven.
About seven.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what others you want to cut together?
Oh, and the cutting.
Yeah,
right?
cutting. Actually, when you do some metal work, not only for welding but also for some other some wood works, and you also need to cut some metals. And the plasma cutter is very precision cutting during all the cutters. So the cutter, and here we can see the price is about 200. And this machine is also adding the plasma cutter functions. So wow, so MIG, TIG, cut, and together, and no forgot for this function.
Yeah, and the stick welding, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Stick welder is sometimes used for some repair for your home, and some small things you need to weld. So the stick welders also used very frequently in your daily date.
Also, there's weld cleaner, right?
Yeah, cleaner. The cleaner makes the stick of the welder looks more lighter and more beautiful. So sometimes some people also need to buy another cleaner machines and to make it beautiful. And in the marketplace, and here it is about $100 USD.
So all of here, the price is like totally 1.2 thousand US dollars, right? But now our price of the MIG 205M is only, wow, $699 US. That's really cheap, and it's just like a half of it. So only one machine, and you include every process inside of it. And more cheaper, and you're gonna save more space, but the performance is still good, right?
Yes, but the $699 is not the standard price. It's just for our super early bird price.
Oh,
and
right.
Yeah, you see that this is the market price, and these machines actually have the same value for these all 5 machines. So this $699 is only the early bird price. So let's cherish these opportunities, and then later we will go on to explain more about these machines, and let's say why this machine for you is easier and is value for you to have it. Okay?
Oh, so the price for here is only for the super early bird, right?
Yes.
And do you know the original price of this welder?
It's about $1,200.
$1,200 US.
Yeah, right.
Wow, but still a good price, right?
Yeah, of course. We want to share our loyalty and want to let more people, the friends, to experience our Arccaptain products. So we have this price.
Wow, that's really good. I can't wait to have one.
And then we can see what is more advantage about our machines. I just said that our machines are all the digital machines, you know? Yes, and it has very user-friendly interface. Here you can see this is our large LED screen, and we have here has so many functions, and one of it I want to share that we can to save our parameters in these machines, and also if you want to use our apps to connect with the machines, and you can use your apps to save the parameters, and when you use the machines to save your parameters, it could only for 10 groups. But if you use your phones to save the parameters, it will be no limited. So just like if when you to weld, let's say as a chair, and you can name it as welding chair. And when you to maybe repair your tethers, something like this, repair, and you can to name it as repair. So next time when you do the same job, and you can to make it out and to just go ahead to welding, save your time.
That's really helpful.
Yes, and look. Do you always welding during your daily life?
Not really.
So this is why I want to show you another function that means the synergic. Synergic is very helpful for the fresh users, fresh users, and that means you don't have much of the experience and you don't know what is the parameters to adjustment for the MIG welder for any other welders. As you know that the diameters, the gas throughs, the other current or the voltage, welding feed speed, and it's lots of the parameters. So just our machines can have inside we have download many group of the parameters. So you just need to tell the machines what is the diameters for you to use for the wires. You know, you buy it, you must know it, right?
Right.
And what the materials you want to weld. Yeah, this one I think is also very easy to know because you know this is maybe such as the stainless and other maybe the other materials you buy, you know it.
Right.
Yeah, and our machines could to depend on this diameters and to recommend you a better welding parameters. And these diameters are coming from our factories. You know that our factories has about 20 years experience in the welding machines. So there are many professional welders. They have these parameters. So the machines just like a master, and or we can say that just like a teacher. And when you ask your teacher how to weld, if I use such as the 03 file with wires, and such as I want to weld for stainless, and the teacher will give you a group of the parameters. So it will be save your time and to help you to have a better welding performance.
Yeah, it's really saving my time and sounds really helpful for such as me. I'm just a rookie, right? I'm just a new, fresh into the welding. And I guess that some of our friends and customers who's willing to buy, they always want to ask how much about the thickness that this welder can do. Now, yeah, we have the parameters here. And for me, the maximum welding thickness is going to 20 millimeters. So it's 3 inch, right?
Yes, right.
And for cutting the maximum is the thickness is 3/4 inch, right?
Yes.
So it's pretty good. Well, later we're gonna show and to see how the weld it is, right?
Yes, here you can see here is the caterpillar. So we put it in our welding machines. It can be say more measurement for this machine. And Luke just told us about the cutting capacity, and it's similar as our CAT 50. So this, let's say this machine is really very valuable about this price.
Right. And we have selling in different area, different country, so we have different version, right?
Yes, actually, these machines we want to be very localization machines. So we know that different friends from different countries, they have different habits, such as sometimes they use inches, or sometimes the inches is from the American users and the millimeters is from the Europe users. So we have different versions, and also the different voltage and different function, maybe different habits for the welding wires. So, and also different languages. We know some people, most of the welders from the American market, they are very familiar with the Spanish, but not English. It's a pity I cannot speak to Spanish. But for our manual, we have to do it. We ask for the Google help. So we do the Spanish and also the French, and for the Europe version, and we do more and more the language. So we want to more people to see our machines and have a good experience. Yes, so this is what we do for the localization. And you can see this machine is really small size, as I can see.
Yeah, it's really portable and it's really another most advantage. If you have a different welding job outside, just take this one. It must be the best choice, I guess so.
Yes.
And it's quite, wow. I guess it's 28, maybe 28 pounds.
About 10 kilograms.
Yeah, 10 kilograms. So it's not heavy. Yeah, not heavy at all.
Yeah, you say that we know that in the welding industry, and more girls and be better welders, and they want to be portable welding machines. So that's why we want to let our machines to be more portable and smaller, lighter. And when they do some weldings, and they can easily to carry. For me as a girl, I can easily to carry it, and the size is also the good size, and so and the colorful and with design as the right, so it was very easy for you to see it, to find it in your garage, and so this is some small design for our MIG 205 multi-process.
Fantastic.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Winnie. So, do you know the target audience about this welder?
Yeah, of course. For these machines, we want to be from to the more users to experience. So for the beginners and also to the professional users, we are consider much about it. This welder can handle a wide range the materials and thickness, whether you are a DIY hobbyist building the furniture or an auto repair hobbyist or a farm owner. And the metal fabrication and also repairs, automatic repair, home improve, and other such as the construction work. And MIG 200 multi-process welding machines can all satisfy your needs. So this is why we designed for it, and you are our target.
Oh, right. I guess there's many friends.
It's about $699. It is it's only for the super early bird.
Yeah, and it's limited. So friends, if you really want to buy it, please be quick. And there's only 22 days, I guess.
And look, now
Yep.
I'm in your life, so you know that I'm the holder of the Arccaptain.
Yeah.
Do you have more activities and more the promotion for our friend in the life?
Yeah. For today, if you want to purchasing some other products, just go into our website, and
Yes.
we have a 12% off for only today. Just remember, the discount code is Love Arccaptain. Yeah, Love Arccaptain.
Yes, we love Arccaptain, so it is easy to remember, right?
Right.
The discount is Love Arccaptain.
And also, if you want to find more actives, you can join our Facebook group. We have over thousands users there, and they are really friendly. And we always have some lucky draw or some giveaway actives every month. So don't forget it. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us via support@arccaptain.com. And you can ask any questions, and we are always providing private service about anything, right?
Yes. So let's say that if you order today, and firstly you will have gloves. Gloves is as the protection products. So we would like to send you our protection, our care for you, and so the glove is free to you. And also the other daily support, daily promotion is just as what Luke has already said. Yes, and I think we have talked more about our machines, but our friends want to see more about the performance.
Yeah, I guess so.
汉工在吗？汉工。
Yeah, so now we need to invite our welder to using this welding machine and see how can it does, right?
Yes. So let's say this machine is multifunction, and here from the machine from the panel from the digital LED display, and we can see there's many of the functions here. The Mig Pulse, Pulse Mig here. We can see here is the pulse. We just click it, and this logo means pulse, and also have the gasless Mig, and that means sometimes you are not easy to connect with the Mig, and you can use the gasless Mig, and also the lift TIG and the HF TIG and TIG pulse and spool gun, flex cord, and also stick, plasma cutter, and clean. And here, these machines we have already connect with all the wires. Here you see this is for the MIG function, and here is the MIG gun. The MIG gun. This MIG torch is for the Lincoln style, and the standard wires we use, the wire is already in your standard package, and we use this about 035, and so the Lincoln torch. Lincoln torch head with the confusers and the tips, and it's also easier for you to find after you use it, and you can find another to replace it. And also Arccaptain could also support you. And here Inside you can see the wire feeders here. We have already installed 5 kilometers the gas shelled solid welding wires, and also it can account for the 2 pounds wires, gasless wires. And here you can see here also have a LED light. So when you put your wire through the wire feeders, and it will be easier to see. So this lighter is our when we go around the market, and it has a very good feedback for our customers. They like it. So this is some small design for it. Okay. Let's try our MIG mode, and here we already set it as the MIG function, and it is for DC MIG, and we use the synergic, and the wire we already set it, and it's for the materials as the. Here you can see. Here is the materials.
Long pressing the knob to unlock.
Yeah, and also before we connect it, we can also gas check to check the gas is right connectedly. And now this all is ready, and let's invite our welder to use it.
可以啊，在前面只是保持10-20个温度。
Long pressing the knob to unlock. Short circuit between.
Eh, 怎么不戴我们的汉帽？
还挺多人的，30多个。
Okay, you see that during the welding, and the parameters on the LED display is changing, and it can show the changing welder feeder speed. So let's see. Okay, go on. This MIG weld looks super smooth and even, with solid penetration and crisp edges. Strong and clean, just the way it should be. So, 是要用脉冲吗？
Long pressing the knob to unlock.
把电流流上去。
好。Okay, we try a larger current. That means the weld feeding speed will be larger.
Long pressing the knob to unlock.
帮我把电流调到100，基本是。
Long pressing the knob to unlock. Long pressing the knob. Short circuit between
Now the current is about 125, 125. 刚才要多少？ Yeah, the weld sounds very great, and it is the DC MIG welder. Actually, it's not a real model. It's just our cottage. We just working here. Yes, the beat is very good. So that's why we want to share you about this machine. Now we change our Arccaptain welding hood, so it will be a better protection. Yeah, we have different design for the welding hood. And thank you for your love of our welding hood.
那你就可以看一下，可以看着这个，那你可以说话，就可以回答一些问题。
要换模式吗？要换模式吗？ So let's see what is the welding beam. So how do you think about it?
Well, I think it's pretty good, and it's really such a good weld and quite smoothly, right? And no spotters, right?
Yes, I think so. And we want the MIG machine's welder is very clean, and we have achieved it. Most of our friends like our welding hood. Yeah, do you want our welding hood as a gift?
然后你是可以，其实可以，比如说我现在要展示什么模式，然后让他看我们不要修什么模式，你可以写一下，对吧？这个你可以记。
是。 This is the MIG welding bit. Welcome the new friend here. This is the live from Arccaptain, and we are showed the welding bit about our MIG 205 multi-process welding machines. And here you can see that the welding bit is good, and we can change another function now. 脉冲啊！
那个脉冲。
那是锁定的，你们锁，因为不是有吗？长按这个，锁定了，就跟你的那个手机一样，可以锁。
So now let's do some post MIG, right?
但是它是要调好，
要调什么？
要它自己调按多。
So now we want to weld as the Mig Pulse, and here you can see the current is about 90 current, and the weld speed is about 218 inch per minute. And for the post gas is about 0.5 second. And the pre-flow gas is 0.5 seconds. Okay, the parameters is like this, and we can to try for the first time. Okay, thank you, folks. I have seen your suggestions. Follow after we finish, and we can do some R&D about this welding helmet, welding hood. And this is a good question. This is a good suggestion. Yes, about the Mig Pulse. This is a very new function about it. So now again we change for a higher voltage.
菩萨稍微长一点。这样低的。对，不长。你把那个干性槽稍微拉长一点。
Thank you, Dimitri. Thank you for your care about our captain. Yes, the MIG 205 multiprocessor finally available.
你是什么气体啊？
没有，
这什么？这个
脉冲用混合气才能看。
那个电话的那个数据讲错了。
电话气体，它脉冲就是混合气，没有2号它的脉冲。
Hold on, we just need to change another mixed gas for the Post MIG. So remember, if you want to use for the MIG Pulse, and need to use the MIG gas, mixed gas. Just now, some friends are very interested in our products. Other products, you can see that we have many different other designs for welding hood. You can see we have lots of the designs and very localization. And now we are in the China, and in China Shenzhen. This is our manufacturing, and we are here to have our first live, and thank you for you coming, and thank you for your support for our captain. Yes, for Norway we have the Europe. We have the Europe version, so we can loading the MiG 200 Europe version to you to Norway. Thank you, Esker, to support. Right, this is a very good choice for your daddy's garage, and we have some retired friends, and they want to do some DIY, and so they do it. So now you can hear about the wave soil. Thank you, Dimitri. Thank you for your waiting. Yeah, about the R&D, we need some time. Sorry for waiting. And Eric, if you are the new welding, welcome to our Arccaptain family. Yeah, and the MIG 205 multi-process have the TIG function, and later we can show you the TIG welding bit. And about the TIG function, we have the lift TIG and also HF TIG. So for the stainless and the thinner plate, it is very good for you to use it. You also praise about the welding gloves. Yeah, if you order today, and as we said, and we can send you a welding gloves today for free. And just go to the Kickstarter. And if you have any question about the order, and you can ask our after-sales service about from our support email. Okay, this again for the MIG Pulse. Let's see the welding beam. The beam lays down nice and consistently. No ugly gaps or rust spots. Just a clean, seamless weld with barely and spatter. So are you satisfied with the MIG Pulse beam? Do you have any question about this function? If no, we will change to another function. Okay, and let's change. We know that some customers want to use connected with the spool gun to weld. So let's try about the spool gun. Let's see how is the spool gun welding performance. And let me see what other questions. Travis Hartman. Yeah, this machine has the plasma cutter function, but pitifully it only for the HF high frequency plasma cutter, not for the pellet arc. If you want to the pellet arc plasma cutter, you can pay more attention to our Cat 205 Pro in our.com. But these machines also have very good thickness cutter, as our clean cutting is about 1 second, and the maximum is about 3-4. Thank you, Flooring. You are the new member for the welder. Yeah, I hope your skill will be better and better, and just care about our Arccaptain brand, and we will plan to have more information share about how to improve the welding machine's skills, and we let the beginners be better and better. Travis, thank you for your love our gloves. And today we have the gloves free for if you order our MIG 205. And Aerofox, thank you. Love our support team. Yes, our support team will reply you to solve your questions for the 24 hours and for 7 days. So we want to do more better service and more. We hope you can satisfied with us. If you have any question about it, no hesitate to connect with us. Yes, the pause function. The pause function has the parameters to adjustment.
调速度和电压或者浮
麦冲。
电流电压。
脉冲是调速度和浮长，电感。
About the pulse, and you can adjust for the document and also the welding speed and also the post gas time.
看看有后退时间也有。
不用才能出来。下面对。
欧洲什么时候到货
6月份，预计6月份。
Actually, about the question for the flooring, the machines are launched together, but for the loading to the Europe market it will be about June. So the American version will be earlier, and later will be the Europe market.
他们设计是什么？
So if you are ready to order our machines, and you can ask our service to after sale service to get your free gloves.
维护，它就是切割的维护。我们现在都。
Yeah, now we are just for the spogan. We know that market habits also want to use the spogan and 就是啊。Yes, thank you for the wearing hook. Thank you for all of our supporters for the Arccaptain. Although our Arccaptain has only about 3 years focus on the digital welding machines, but our factories has about more than 20 years for the welding industries. We have to know more about each country's welding habit. So all the machines have the digital parameter groups, and we can do the digital synergic machines for you, and better support for the beginners. Now we are installed for the welding welding wire for the spool gun, and the wire is for the aluminum, and 2 pounds aluminum wire. If you are the fresh user and don't know to worry about how to, if you don't know how to install about the wires, we will have a very detailed installation instruction about it.
喂，杨德才呢？是打个电话没打通呗？啊，你这样拿一下，
哎呦喂，太多了。还有手机吗？你还有那个手机吗？手机。看，他会回。
他这样没有，不是我看过这个位置，他这样回。
那我
让你看。
回到哪儿了？ Well, thank you for all the friends here. We have so many of the so many of the questions here. Sorry. About the weld age question, yes. About these machines could support for MIG aluminum without a spool gun, and we have the synergic mode about it. This MIG 205 multi-process will adding the plasma cutter, so it will be more advanced than the MIG 200 Pro. And let me see more questions. Yes, thank you for Fox's suggestion.
行，我知道了。我知道了。打你电话没打通，
Just go on to continue to care about us, and we will have more and more technology machines, and hope you all like it.
这个拿着像是不带遥控的。
现在可以讲一下，就是说现在购买的话，最优惠的价格可以 Kickstarter 或者官网支付。
这个拿着像是不带遥控的。
不是啊，
长按一下，长按。好，可以了。就是超过5分钟就超够了，面板就自动处理。
So we can see from these machines we changed for the button but another design, and this is very new design, and also for the left. For this left button, and it could be the lock for the machines. If you're not using the machines about 5 minutes, and it will be stopped. And after when you continue to use it, you just press it for about 5 seconds, and the machines will go on to working. So now we start for our spool gun. Spool gun for the aluminum.
因为这个功能就是防止你调好了参数，别人碰了，把它调乱了。 气体要氧气吧？这个气体容易，它这个不同材料要有不同的气体。
When using the MIG Pulse to welding for the aluminum, and remember to use the argon gas. Let me introduce what it will be included for the standard package. In the standard package, there will be the MIG 205 multi-process and also a MIG welding torch. It will about 10 feet, and also we could give you the torch accessories, including the conduct tips, nozzle, and diffusers, and also have the ground clamp, electric clamp, a ground clamp for the MMA mode, and also the electrode holder, MMA mode, and also the lifting gun and plasma cutter gun, and also the CO2 gas regulator, also gas hose 10 feet, and the adapter for the USA, for the American version. It will be in charger from 240 to 120 voltage, and we have 2 rollers for you for the different size, different diameter for the wires, and we have also also including the clean gun for you to clean, and what's more, it will be including for a protection cover. This is the protection when you put machines in your garage, and it will be protecting your machines better. And also we have very detailed operator manual for you. So whenever you are a fresh user or you are a professional welder, and you can both use our machines because the machines have some more new technology functions. So we let our manuals more details, and hope you have a better experience for our Arccaptain goods. Oh, thank you for your coming. Now here are about more than 5 people here in our welding in our Arccaptain. Thank you for your coming.
我们拉丝枪是上面无线、上钢那都看过了吗？啊？上钢看过。
Our machine about Aaron Fox question. Our machine is the totally new digital inverter welding machines. So if you have a machine since 1987, I think you are a very professional welder. And compare with the traditional, such as the big brand Lincoln or the Miller welder, and our synergic mode is really a very special for the older for the professional welders. And about after-sales service, yes, we have a very good after-sales service. And if you have any question about it, you can just send us the email or phone us. And our email is support arccaptain.com, and you can also come into our arccaptain.com, and there will be an online after-sales service. And if there are some problems, we can back it this and make the machines years back and 2 years warranty for you.
是电压的问题还是什么问题？能不能调参数啊？
怎么还有个微波炉？
哎，你用了多大的丝啊？
这个应该是1.2的。
1.2的丝。
Thank you for all of you to share your welding experiences. We, Arccaptain, want to be a community for your welders community and share your skills. And thank you for all your coming.
它这个拉丝枪，它这个它不是一样化的，就是所有的它是要靠自己去调。
这个可以看吗？
反正可以看吧。
可以看吗？
而且那还说我们这个看1.2的这个拉丝枪，看1.2的有点够呛。
这1.2的。
对呀。拉用的1.2的。
我们卖的电话还看不了，不太买的，所以我就拿着这个还行。
目前这个还行。
This machine will be shipped according to the numbers of the Kickstarters. After, okay, let's
quite
see.
good. Well,
Here is the Mig Pulse welding bit. So how do you think about this welding bit?
it's pretty smooth, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's for the Mig Pulse.
And no spotters at all.
Mig Pulse aluminum. Actually, the welding skills need to daily accumulate. You see that here my colleagues has practiced for many times, and finally he get this good welding bit. So this is not so many good things in the world. You know that everything needs to much more of the efforts. And also about our machines. Our machines has about 2 years, more than 2 years development, and nowadays it's already been this level. We hope you can like it, but if you have some questions and you don't like it, and you have more suggestions, we also very welcome you to let me know. Okay, thank you for you to light here. And the Landy note think this well looks good. Thank you. And if you like our life, and you can share with your friends, and or share with your welder or some other friends who want to know more about the welders, and we can share our newest welding machines and welding skills, and you can share the discount to him, and we can do more promotion for you. Okay, we finished the Mig Pulse bead. See, these are the Mig Pulse bead for the aluminum. Okay, I remember that some guys want to see how is the performance for the TIG. So let's change to the TIG.
Let's change the TIG torch. 换那个 TIG 枪。
先
高频 TIG 吗？
高频吧。
你就说它这个，因为那像是它不是烟化的，是非烟化的，参数要自己调。
跟 MIG 200是一样的嘛？
啊？
跟 MIG 200是一样的，它不能一元化。
对，它不能一元化，要参数跟自己去匹配。
It just now is for the aluminum 4043. Rents, yeah, our cut 55 is very hot machines and welcome machines, and nowadays we have already to fastly to produce our consumables. It will be soon arrive in.
1.0的都0.9的0.9的
T 个 So we have tried for the MIG and AC, DC MIG and MIG Pulse, also for the MIG spool gun. And next we try for the TIG. Let's. Firstly, let's try about the lift TIG. Do you want to see lift TIG or the HF TIG? If you want to see the lift TIG, you can print 1, and if you want to see the HF lift, you can print 2. Yeah, I see Rents will be want to see the lift TIG. I see 1, right? Yeah, okay. Now we install for the lift TIG gun. This gun will be come with the package. So here is the aviation for the lift TIG, and here is the other wire connection. Okay, Tom and the weld gauge also interested in the HF TIG. After we try our lift TIG, and we will try HF TIG, okay? Yeah, this is the finger control for gas control, for the gas control. These consumables are all come with our package. But if you want to repeat buying it, and just go to our Arccaptain.com. 那个高频TIG枪，
气体要换过来。气体刚刚是接到 MIG 上面，这上面换过来，
不一样。
所有的配线都是氩气。
气体要换过来。
你要另配哦。对啊，高频TIG。
哦，你是屁股后面的是吧？
屁股后面要把
这个项目给换过来，高频TIG的枪，这个之外的。
这不对不对，
这是高频TIG枪。
可以直是吧？
对啊，我们这
是换屁股后面，是这个后面。 现在语音说的就是气体没有装气体。
我根本听不清楚他语言说啥，所以我觉得你这个语音。Yeah, these machines can control with the pedal. And later for the HF peak, we will control by the pedal.
这是 completely 3了。是的。这是没装 pedal 的吗？
This is for the lift tick.
高频器的，高频器的。
我让现在是提升压缩呀，lift tick
再往前按一下。
换一下。不是，
还要 lift 这个，还有 lift 这个。提升一步啊！
我那边也放过。So here is the lift tick mode.
现在在城市要说可以跟那个
Can I start?
价格让他去官网或者说做一些合作。
Right, the price for today is $6.99, and if you want to learn more details and parameters, just go to our official website or the Kickstarter page.
Yes, don't forget for
And
our machines promotion. If you order here, order today, and you will have gloves more free. And there's only for about 24 days left, and we already have about 300 bakers. And also, if you are interested in our Arccaptain.com, please log in Arccaptain.com, and we have the discount code just as the Love Arccaptain, and you will have a great deal, about 12% off. And remember to join our Facebook group, and we have the activities for each month. And we will have the lucky draw, and you will get a very awesome gifts, such as our very awesome welding hoods. If you have some questions about our Captain, about our brand, and also about our products, please send email to our support arccaptain.com, and we will have the private service about our machines.
它只要切换模式切换过来就可以。
And also today we will have some Kickstarter bundle. If you are interested about the MIG 205 multi-process and also the spool gun, and before the price will be about 1,400. And but today we will have about 40 of this discount, and finally price will be about 869. Yeah, that will be 869. And this is for the MIG function. And if you are interested in the tick function, and we will have another Kickstarter bundle. It will be the MIG 205 multi-process and plus foot pedal. The price will be the 757, and the before price is about 1,295. So the discount will be about 40% off.
By the way, if you purchase today, you can get a pair of gloves for free.
Right. And if you are much interested in us, we can do also a lucky draw today. We can to make a lucky draw and to give one of your lucky guys for our welding helmet, welding hood. So do you interested in it? 哎呦妈呀！卡住了。啊，好的。
好吗？
好。
没事。
Yes, we have the Arccaptain group from the Facebook. 你把 Facebook 的那个群组打出来。
这很好看。
Now is for the lifting. Yeah, they like the welding tools.
Yeah, he did.
Okay, finally, before we finish our show today, and we will give one of your lucky guys for a welding tool. So living for our life. Thank you for your support. And here, we can see here is the welding bit for the lift welding bit. It is clean. Nice. We try again. So now here I introduce more function about here about the lifting, and you can do more adjustment for your welding, such as a 2-step or 4-step. It means for the long distance welding, and you can use the 4-step so that you will not press for the torch for a long time. And here you can see this logo is for the peak current, and this is for the welding current. Now we are use the lift tick, DC lift tick, and this price, our metal, our panel is very clean, and the function is very easy to see. And this here is for the function for pulse or DC, and this price for to adjust for different parameters. They're here to adjust for the different modes. And if you to price it here, and you can see here are the different materials. Let's say firstly to press here and the synergic on or off, and then to press here to select the diameters of the wires, and here is for the materials choice, and here for the MIG function to check whether the gas is right connection. TIG 是不是原话？
没有。
7个有烟
无人是吧？
有。
没看完就展示脚上。
对对对。Here is for the lifting. 哦，不是，我又换一个。
0.36了都，这。
Well, it's pretty good, really good weld. No sputter and pretty smooth, right?
So the TIG performance is just like a stacked diamonds. It's very tight and uniform and strong. And this weld isn't just tough, but it looks very good, great, and clean and wear controlled. And 我换成脚踏吧，换脚踏。 Okay, we have already finished our about our lift tick, and then we will change to our HF tick, and we will change to the pedal, the foot pedal to adjust for the parameters. And also in this tick function, tick mode, and we have the synergic function. This is what we add in these machines only. That means that you just to tell about the machines what is the diameter for your electrode rod, and the machines will recommend you the right parameters. Yeah, so now we are preparing for our foot pedal.
Foot pedal available.
把机器重启一下，它要识别。然后这里会有个它的一个目标。
So before you use to connect with the foot pedal, you need to switch on about the machines, and you can see here is a small logo for the foot pedal. And then we change the mode to the HF tick. 等一下 ，HF， 然后我要调一元化。你现在用的乌针是多少的？啊？
都可以。
要点是的。
好，就这个。
OK。
高等下。
啊？脚。
他在给你控制，他在给你控节奏。
哦，是哦，我们其实需要这个。
手机。
可以哦。
他说这个人想成为我们的 KOL 啊。哦，现在78人正在观看，现在流量高峰吗？
很多了，我78人同时看。
吴总刚呼应了大家一起那个搞。
Welcome to Arccaptain Live, and now we are showing for the HF tick, and we are using for the foot pedal to control it. And now the mode is for the synergic, the HFDC tick, and later we will use for the HF tick with pulse. If you are interested in welding and you love our Arccaptain brand, and please share to our link to more of your friends, and we can have more communicate about welding and also make friends with each other. And just now I said that we will have a lecture today, and I see that nowadays our friends here are more increasing, and if our friends in our life is more than 100, we will do this lucky draw. So just to share.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel on YouTube and follow our group on Facebook.哎，现在我们汉帽在官网上有折扣不？汉帽
12%呀，全部12%。
OK。
应该差不多还有多少？
有它的脚要动一动，要缩宽动。
如果是在增长的话，我建议你是不说，不管是什么。For the HFT, we have more functions, such as just now I show you for the synergic function, and that means we can tell the machines what the tungsten electrode diameters, and the machines could be matched the diameter for you automatically. And for the pulse function, and here are some parameters you can adjustment, such as the pre-follow and the initial current and upload, peak current, base current, download, crater current, and also the post-flow pulse frequency and also the pulse duty. So actually, in the general speaking, and for the TIG welding is for the professional welders, but we want more people to share about the TIG welder, so we add the synergic function. So just have look, you can do the TIG welding also.
Really?
Yes.
I am really rookie.
Yeah.
But I do believe on that. The synergy is really
这样
good.
你尝试的把这个脚踏
Because we have about 20 years welders from our factories, and they have about the parameters and accumulate day by day. So the parameters are accumulated, and it's good for you to have recommendation.
Right, I do really love the synergic mode because it is really helpful for me to set up the parameters automatically, right?
Yes.
It's awesome.
下部功能是什么功能呢？
麦克风弄了吗？麦克风，
不是这个，我要下一步。
这个还有个麦克风，然后是切，然后是切，
这还有个麦克，
对对，麦克风然后是切。Okay, let's see. This is the TIG HI welding beam. So it's crisp and clean. And now we change to the pulse.
Long pressing long to unlock.
你要把锁要按照那个锁没有。
Panel unlocked.
Okay, now it's for the HF TIG and for pulse.
就是你按那个面板的复数按键和按的那个按钮都可以，长按都可以。
We also use the feed pedal to control it, but now it's for the pulse. Be quiet because pulse will be a different wave song.
不知道的麦克风的声音吗？
你现在用的是脚踏模式，不是枪控哦。要电流没有，要通脚踏开关。
所有功能展示完之后，要不要把那箱的配件拿过来？你们告诉大家有什么配件？好。
你那个拉丝箱不是配的带有布吗？
是，
那我看你这
是吗？我也不知道。
你现在试的不是带有布。
第一批好像。手套还有手套吗？哎，问错人了。真的？这个手套还有吗？咱的手套，就是我们的，我不用你啊，这。
看不到。OK。可以。
Here is the HF TIG with pulse. So when during welding with TIG with pulse, you can hear the wave sound, and it's very suitable for the thick band.
The weld is smooth as butter, right?
要不要说一下调脉冲参数怎么调？
Okay, good night, rest. 没有的。说一下。是这里是吧？If you are professional welder for TIG machines, and you can see here our model is for pulse, and press here, and here you can see this is the pulse. This is the pulse gas, the frequency, the free gas, the peak current, and when you want to adjust it, just turn it up and down. Yes, and we try it again. Okay, thank you, Esther. Have a nice day and have a good rest. And when you have some time, you can also communicate with us, and remember to join our Facebook group. Nice to see you here.
然后可以拿那个行李箱可以洗一下，然后再看。
啊，
就是可以先
清洗功能。
清洗，再完了再
OK， 可以啊。
看。
So you can tell me where where are you come from, dear friends? And we can see that in which part of the country the mostly you come from. Okay, now we finish our pulse stick, and we can use our clean function. We have already welding for lots. 可以了，先不用焊了。We have already finished lots of the welding, so we show how is the cleaning function to make our welding bit more better, more clean. 清洗。
只可以在那个里面。
可以了，不用焊了，不用焊了。
说让大家
清洗，清洗。
买12%。
清洗。
啊。
把那个雅瀚枪把它拆掉，然后装上这个枪。哦，雅瀚枪不用拆，就把这个插上去就可以了。
再说一下活动，再说一下活动。
插到这。
Right, don't forget to get 12% off for today. Just enter the discount code Love Arccaptain on our website. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel and join our Facebook group. We got a lot of actives each month, such as win lucky draw and some giveaway, some gift. And feel free to contact us at support@arccaptain.com. We're gonna providing our best customer service.
So now we try for clean function, and this is our clean torches. For the cleaning function, we use the electrolytic fluid and to bring back that original shine and give your metal extra protection. So we will say goodbye to oxidation and discoloration with the MIG 205 pulse clean function. The yellow water is the electrolytic fluid you can buy from your welder shops. Yes, this machine has the dual fans, double fans, and also the smart fan. When you're welding, the fan will be working a little noise, and when you're not working, after the machine is cooling down and the fans will be stop work. So your room, your garage will be quiet again. Okay, now here is about 90 friends in our Arccaptain Alive. And please share our link to more friends, and more than 100 we will have today's.
Well, it's much cleaner now, right?
Yeah.
Very nice clean.
我说100个才透光。
我在看模式。
clean 完了。
啊。
清洁完了，展示了。
再多清理一个。
刚清完了。
再来一个。So here you can see, we try this one. It's dirty, and we use the clean function to make it discoloration.
要先松条。抬起来，不然你
And this clean gun is included in our standard package.
可以说一下这个哑焊枪可以跟气体枪可以同时接上。对，就是它上完了就可以直接气体。
And in the meantime, after you weld for the TIG welder, and you don't need to remove your wires, so there are different connectors. So just connect for the clean porches, you can finish your TIG welder performance better. You can see.
清洗这个可能电流有点大了。
How do you think about it? Okay, do you have any question about the cleaning? If not, we will go on for the next function. It will be the cutter function, the plasma cutter. Okay, let me see what you want to see. One is for the plasma cutter, two is for the stick welder. I think most of you are interested in the plasma cutter.
你怎么用上 AI 啊？让 AI 直接。
Let's start for our plasma cutter. So this is the first advantage welding machines, including the welding machines and welding function, and also the plasma cutter machine. When you doing the jobs and you don't need to change another welding machines, and just in one machine you can do the cutting job. And the cutting, the tolerance cut is about 3/4 inches, and about the clean cut thickness is 1/7. So we make the gas filter inside and save the volumes, and so we are very satisfied in this
可能不
function.
会每天吧，一周搞个2次吧。
一周搞2次。
Right, don't forget to purchase now today, and you can get a pair of gloves for free. And today's price is only $6.99 US on the Kickstarter, and it's only for the super early bird price, and it's limited. There's only 22 days left. Don't miss it up. And also we have some different bundles price on the Kickstarters with other different accessories like with spool gun or with foot pedal, and even the TIG and the cut consumable set, and the price are different. Almost like 30 to 40% off on the Kickstarters. Don't miss it.
哎，我没考虑你推荐你配的这个干啥呢？
And the quantity is limited. We have now we have almost 300 speakers right now. Maybe I guess there's only 100 quantity left. So if you want to purchase this welder, just be quick.
Yeah, thank you, Weld Edge. Keep in touch. We will keep in touch. Have a nice day.
let's do the calculation one more time. If you buy the MIG 205M, that means the same time you have owned 5 welders at the same time, and it's pretty safe money, right? It's only $699 US. Without this, you have to buy 5 different welding machines, and the price will be like over than $1,000 US, right? Well. 小坚哥，
对，可以。
Right, only $699. You got 5 different welding machines, all in one. It's pretty worth.
哎，我觉得可以收这些了。
啊？
我觉得可以收这些了，因为太久了。
啊，可以，可以啊。
And we also get some questions about this machine, and also from some survey, some customers also have some potential questions.
Yeah, such as, is it really suitable for a complete beginner and rookie?
Yeah, definitely. Between the synergic mode and the app's recommend settings, beginners can get a quality and weld fast function, and you can log your favorite settings and build from there. So as I said, the synergic and apps control, and also the tailored guide could help for the beginners better weld.
And how do I get better at welding with this welder?
You know that in the world, not everything is not so easy to be. So practice make better perfect. That is the real rules. But for Arccaptain, we try to help the fresher and to be better welding. So we start by learning proper torch angle and travel speed. Use the stored parameters in the apps to check your progress. If you are a total newbie, run some practice beats on scrap metal before tracking bigger projects. This is what we suggest for you to be better welding skills.
Oh, could you please speak more about the synergic mode and pose?
Yes, in these machines, there are some different and updated for our other MIG 100. And for the synergic mode, for our MIG 200 and 205 Pro, we just have the synergic function in the MIG. But now we update for older mode. It will be including for MIG, HFT, lift stick, and also the MMA stick. So just during each of the mode, you just to set the diameters of the wire feeder, and the machines will automatically to set the voltage, amperes, and also the wire bit speed. So and this is the synergic mode.
就更原化了是吧？
So the synergic mode is very good for the fresh users, for some people who don't know the complex parameters. But for the professional, you may have very much of the habits to welding for the parameters, and we also recommend you for a range of the welders. So when you weld, you just don't need more time to arrange from such as 10 to 200 amperes, but just from such as 150 to 200 amperes. So it will be also save your time. And meantime, when you have a good welding parameter groups, you could save your parameter and rename it. So this is the synergic mode function, and we hope this function could help you for the welding.
Okay, now let's begin to cutting now.
Yeah, the cutting is ready.
Oh, there's one more question, Winnie. For the plasma cutting, is there any details that I need to concern about? What kind of the compressor I need?
Yes, you know that the plasma cutting need to connect with the air compressor, right?
Right.
Yeah, and this is the first job you need to do, and then you should to prepare for the torch head. The torch head and also about its accessories, and you need to consider it.
你要接触引火，接触引火。
Okay, now we start our plasma cutting.
接触引弧的，不是围弧的，要靠在空间上面。
哦，要改成那个不是改成 cap 的。
这样。
Grand。对。OK。
要靠在空间上引弧的，这个不是围弧的。好，你看那边吧。
嗯？
这样没上来，但是是。
哎，
黄灯啊。
等一下，等一下，这个压力。
哦。还是不行。
你先不要顶着边缘，顶着边缘。用你来，有些
它为什么亮黄灯啊？
So you see that if some problems happen, then this light will be turned to another color, such as the light, the yellow light. And if it's working good, and it will be green light. And now we check that this is the gas, some problem for the gas leak. So hold on, we will check the problem.
可以说一下关注我们，就说来的人因为欢迎来到直播间。
在播的过程中，关注就是每个增加的。
就是说欢迎来到直播间关注我们，期待后期的直播嘛。
Welcome to our live stream, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we're gonna have more live stream later. Also, please join to our Facebook group. We have many different actives in there, monthly and weekly, such as giveaway and the new things, the new production release.
是不是引弧那个嘴？
要说的好不好？
说呗。
说啥呀？
是啊，
切得很干净。
Well, the cut's pretty clean and
最好是
crispy.
把这个夹子，上次好像没那么难引弧。 那个嘴口径是多少？对啊，它这个引弧怎么引弧不好？
Well, let's see.
好像没发现。
Well, the cutting surface is really cool and really
新的呀，
smooth, right? It's clean enough.
你要不你
我们可以换个厚一点的板子，是吗？ Now let's swap to a more thicker plate.
张工，开用切割机的时候，看好应该在什么模式下？
Brand. Well, pretty good, smooth as butter. It's pretty clean. 还要换吗？还要切吗？
可以的，然后是不是，然后去讲一下配件，然后你们就互动一下。审判还要看吗？
不看了吧，
我看没啥可看的。
我是说整个的完整的配件，让客户知道说这里面有什么东西。
对，给他讲一下配件吧。我们讲的反正也说我们都有啥配件。
你们准备一下，我把配件拿过来，一箱打开，告诉你什么东西。
OK。
这个管子背面有几个旧，没有螺丝的，它就是说贴纸，然后里面放电，对。
先把那边撤出来，然后让他们上整配件。
那我可以走了吧？
可以了，谢谢。
你已经测完了，我看见它的跟一样的。接下来这嘴巴用的这个没有。
注意一下啊，就是我们直播还是这个有些其他声音不要，可以听到其他声音的。您先进入其他声音不好，不要的。
Okay, just now we have shown you all the functions for our multi-process MIG 205 welding machines. So are you interested and satisfied with our welding bit? I think the welding skills you need to practice day and day, but we hope our machines could give you a better experiences. And after we have seen all about the functions, and we want to share you what is the package included for the spare parts.
Yeah. Wow, looks like many things here.
Yes, here is our spare parts package, and this one is for our machine cover. So just as if you not weld so frequently, and you can put your welding in your garage, and let's put it out. And it is waterproof, and just cover it.
Yeah, it's a cover to keep your welder clean without dust.
Yeah. You know that we think the welder just like a man's toy. So if it is
Yeah.
your toy, you want to much more protect it.
Absolutely yes.
So this we want to protect our Arccaptain welder. This one, first one is for the welding cover, and this is for the electrode clamps.
Ground clamp.
Yes. The holder for the stick welder. MIG Pulse.
MIG Pulse.
Yeah, and Pulse head is for the Lincoln style.
Lincoln style.
Yes, and also we have the spare parts consumables for this.
就这个吗？
Here. We have tips for this Lincoln style. But we also have some package for the consumables, and you can package or you can buy it from our Arccaptain.com. This one is for the MIG Pulse. Next, this is the gas regulator. So when you weld with the MIG, and you can use it. You don't need to buy another. We just put it in our package. Here is the plasma cutter torch. We just use it. The tick torch, also the lifting torch. And when you're using the tick function, just directly to connect with it. This one, do you have memory for it? It's just for the cleaning torch.
Cleaning torch.
Yeah. And when using the gas, we need the gas hose. This one is for the gas hose. And also we have the electrode rod, tungsten electrode rod for you to finish your TIG welding.
Wow, that's pretty much, right?
Also here you can see we prepare you for more rollers. If you use more materials and different diameters for the wires, and you can change it, and you don't need to ask somebody to buy it again. So actually, we think the spare parts.
Everything.
It's everything.
It's
enough.
everything's here. Just unbox, open it up, and use it directly. No need to purchase anything at all.
And if you need more spare parts, you can connect with us, and actually our Arccaptain.com can also to support with you.
Right, Winnie, I think we did a really good demonstration on this welder today, right?
Yes.
And I guess our friends and our customers, they're quite interested on this welder. And for more details and parameters, please just go to our official website and our Kickstarter page. You can see more details on it. And don't forget to purchase now, because the price is only $6.99 US, and there's only 20 days left. And the quantity is limited. And if you purchase today, you can get a pair of gloves for free, only today.
Yes, and this is our standard package. And just as we showed just now, we have also the pedal bonding, and the MIG 200 plus foot pedal bundle. The price will be about $757, and also 40% off. And if you want to connect with spool gun, the spool gun will also have the Kickstarter bundle. And the MIG 205 and plus spool gun, the price will be $869. Also the 40% off.
Yeah, there's another set is for this welder and all of different welding mode consumable set.
Yeah, you know that when you weld, and the consumables is very easy to break. So if you need more and you want to buy more, we also prepare another bundle. So what the price for it?
The price is only $759.
Yeah.
It's pretty good price. Also, it's 42% off.
So it will be a good gift for someone who wants to start prepare the welding.
Yeah, for your son, for your boyfriend maybe.
Yeah, yeah, that is a very good hobby. And if you for your boyfriend can help you to repair the house, repair your room, and be a better husband.
I will be really glad to receive this as a gift if I get it from my girlfriend, right?
Yeah, I will tell you.
Thanks.
Yeah, and we also have some questions, right?
Right. Okay. Right, now let's talk about the production and the shipping. This is really big question on everyone, they really mind and concern. Do you know the manufacturing timeline?
Yeah, right. For the first launch, we are focused on the US market and we launch on the Kickstarter. And the shipping date will be around April 18th. And about the European orders, just now some friends come from Norway or some Europe parts, and the loading date will be about June. So just to wait it, and our machines will keep all the good quality and to be around yours.
And what about the shipping cost?
For the US bakers, there's about a flight 50 shipping fee.
Oh, that's quite cheap.
Yeah.
And is there any duties and taxes?
That will be depending on where you live, and you may have pay import taxes. And just to check the Kickstarter FAQ or contact us directly for the details.
Okay. So, is there any discount and deposit on Kickstarter? 7.2.
Oh yes. For who collects 50 deposit for discount, we will process those within 14 business days after the campaign ends. If you use different emails, just email us for a screenshot for the verification.
All right. All right, there's one last question. How do I place an order, and when do you collect my shipping information?
Oh yeah, you may very interested in our machines and want to know where to order it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for ordering is straightforward through our Kickstarter page, and just select the reward tier you want and complete your packet. Keep in mind, according to Kickstarter's rules, and we can only collect shipping details after the campaign ends. We will set out a post-campaign survey within 14 business days after the campaign ends on April 14th. And that's when you will provide your shipping address, and then you will provide your shipping dates to shipping address to me and all other important details needed. And then we will keep an eye on your email and send you the details about the loading, and then you will get your machines.
Well, it's really easy and convenient to buy it, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I think it's time to end this live stream, right?
I want to say, do you have any other questions in our live show?
Yep. Any questions? And don't forget to subscribe this channel and follow on our group on the Facebook. We have many different actives, such as the giveaway and some discount, right? And like weekly and monthly, we have a lot of different actives. And also for the price, now it's only $6.99, and it's only 20 days left, and it's limited. And it's only for the super early bird price. And the original price is gonna be like $1,200 US. And buy this one, that means you have the 5 different welder at the same time. And save money, save your space, right? And it's portable, very easy to take anywhere.
Is there any, Willis? Oh, right. I think we have a very good introduction of our products.
Yes, we did. Thank you, Winnie, and thank you, everyone. We do really have a fantastic night.
Yes, yes. Thank you for accompanying to our live show, and this is our first time. And later we will plan for more show and show our more information about Arccaptain and also about our machines. Hope you like it.
Yeah, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Winnie, and feel free to contact us via our email or our Facebook official account, and anywhere we have a lot of account on different social media platforms. Just feel free to contact us. Thank you you for watching.
Yeah, thank you.
And see you next time, guys.
See you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good night.